Welcome to Creatively Using the Creative Suite. Here's your host, Eric Burnskill. Hello, welcome to the Creatively Using the Creative Suite podcast. My name is Eric Burnskill, and today I'm inside of Acrobat 10 or Acrobat X, and I'm going to show you the commenting features that are available inside of Acrobat. These comments features are really useful if you're working in a team, collaborating on a PDF document, and let's say you want to make some changes, or you want to tell a person to make some changes, or your opinions on these changes. So the first thing I need to do is go click on the comment bit here to bring out all my comment related features in Acrobat. And the first thing I see is the annotations bar, and this is all the tools that I have in order to make annotations in the document. I can make a note, I can highlight text, I can attach either a sound or files. I can stamp with different available stamps or create my own stamps to include on here. And let's say I can also insert text, replace text, strike through, underline, and comment text. I can do a bunch of things with text. So let's say here that I want to just highlight the title here. Because I think I think it's important. So I'm going to highlight the title. It's going to automatically name the comment after the user account on your computer. If you want to change that, you just need to right click on the comment, click properties, and then under the general tab, you can change the author as well as lock, change the subject of this highlight, and see the appearance, etc. Alright, so let's also say that I wish to make a comment about the welcome bit here, okay? So I think I want to make a comment. I think this should be longer. Okay, so that's my comment. I can close that down. It's going to show for anyone when opening this document. Let's say I'm going to strike a whole paragraph in here, okay? And I'm going to already say I strike the word just here. I don't think that's necessary. It's going to show up, strike through, and it's also showing in my comments list, which gathers all the comments. But finally, I think I'm going to do a stamp here. So I'm going to stamp this as a draft. Okay, so just placing the draft stamp, and then I can move it around if I want to. This stamp is also going to show in my comments list. All right, so I've done some things to this document right now. I can just save it, send it back. I can also continue just drawing some things on here. I can use the freehand to draw. I can draw cloud lines in here. And this is also going to show up in my comments list. So any of these drawing markups, call outs, text boxes, I can do pretty much to this PDF document. What I can also do now is, and I can do this even before, I can send this off for shared review to people, or I can collaborate this live. Okay, so I need to save this before collaborating, so I'm going to save this to the desktop. Called About Stacks, and let's see, I'm going to collaborate live. Okay, this is going to need an Acrobat.com account, which you need to sign in here, go ahead with the steps, and it's going to go ahead and we can collaborate. It's live. You get a link that you can send to people. You can also send this for a shared review. So you can either track it on Acrobat.com, track it on your own internal server, or send it via email. So I can go ahead, enter an email address here. Let's say I'm going to enter my email address in here. And I'm going to say my name here. And click complete. So this walks you through the process, choosing the document, invite reviewers, and then previewing the review. When you get documents back, you can go ahead and track the reviews. And this is especially useful when doing the online collaboration. You can get to see in a list exactly what people have done in terms of reviews here, tracking it, tracking what's come back to you. So there are some really useful commenting tools. It's easy making a comment, and it's also easy gathering responses to these comments inside of Acrobat 10. That's it for this week's episode of the Creatively Using the Creative Suite podcast. My name is Eric Burnskill, and I'll hopefully see you back next week. Bye-bye.